Hello friends, welcome to today's video. It's been a while since I sat down and filmed any videos. If you are a regular watcher of my channel, everything is fine. Basically, I had a number of things going on in my life and I didn't film for a little bit. So it was my birthday. I am now 43, so for those of you who often comment on my videos, especially my old ones where it's like skincare videos and I say I'm 41, and even now I'll get comments that are like, you don't look 41, and I feel like replying and going, I'm not, I'm like 43 now. But yeah, 43, had my birthday. I had family in town visiting and staying in my place. And then I went back with my family, my parents, to Toronto for a while. So I was traveling a little bit and yeah, just didn't get a chance to film, but life is going really well. But because I was away and doing all kinds of things, I have had my IPSY bag sitting in my place for like a week and a half now. And I don't know, I mean, I enjoy opening these on camera. It's like a little gift to myself every month and I enjoy it. So let's get into opening it. I always do a little spiel. Basically, if you're here in Canada with the exchange rate, this ends up being like $20, $21, something like that. And you get 5 sample size products in here. One of the products you can choose, I never remember what it is that I chose, so it's always a surprise. Again, before I start, I spent a long time looking at IPSY's website and my subscription, trying to figure out where I could ask them to not send me a makeup bag. And I can't find it. So if you are somebody who has IPSY and you know if that's possible, let me know in the comments how you were able to do that. I'm not even sure if it's a thing, but I feel like somebody mentioned you could request that and I can't figure out where to request that because I don't tend to use the makeup bags. I would prefer to create less waste. Let's get into this. I feel like my camera hasn't been set up in a while and you guys probably won't be able to tell because I edit this, but I feel like I haven't set it up right. There's so much space. Ooh, okay, so there is some stuff outside the bag, which sometimes happens. And outside the bag, I have 2 face masks. Would this be what I chose? I don't know. I don't think so. It doesn't look familiar, but I'll show you. Do the whole beauty YouTuber thing. There are 2 masks. One is firming and one is soothing. And they're from a company called BRTC. And yeah, they are sheet masks. So B5, velvet mask, soothing, vitamin A, velvet mask is firming. I enjoy using face masks. I've been on a real kick with clay masks lately because I don't know if I've been using a lot of sunblock or I've been using a lot of product. Maybe it's all in my head, but I feel like if every few days I use a clay mask and then moisturize really well, it just keeps my skin a little clearer. I've not been doing it lately. I have a few more breakouts, but I also really enjoy moisturizing sheet masks as well. And because I did a whole Marie Kondo decluttering my entire place, I have a much better system now for using all these products that I get. So I have like a face mask area, and then I also have a specific area for the little sample sizes of things that I have. So I'm actually working my way through some of the skincare samples, and I'm keeping them away. So my plan is to sit down and do sort of like a mini, you know, what I've used up. Because the skincare samples are sample size, it's basically like a first impression. I can't tell you what it's like over the long term for my skin, but I can give you first impressions of whether the product was this seems good, I would continue using it, or I really didn't like this at all. That was a lot without actually being in the IPSY bag. So this is good. I like getting face masks. I will always use them. Now that I've gone on my rant about the IPSY makeup bags, I feel like I've been getting really good luck with ones that I like. Like this is super cute, and what I like with these makeup bags, because I don't use makeup bags as makeup bags, I'll use them as little clutches if I'm going somewhere, and this one would be super cute for fall. And actually I have like a yellow dress that this would go so well with. So it's like faux leather up here on top and then this nice sort of like yellow and black tartan print. And the IPSY is only here on the button, so it's really unobtrusive. So this would be really nice as a clutch. So I'm actually gonna hold on to this, which is nice. So that's a big positive this month. Let's take a look at the card and see the theme. Back to work, school, life. Whether you're rushing into the office again, commuting and wearing lipstick, or catching up on much needed self-care, get back into the swing of things in style. So yeah, totally, this was September's bag, so it is back to school, but also all of us are kind of getting back to life a little bit more. Oh, and it actually does say in here the product. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. So we'll look at that after we look at the rest of the bag. Okay, the first thing I grabbed was, ooh, what is this, a spray bottle? No, okay. Oh, okay, so this is a hair serum, pure Brazilian daily anti-frizz serum, leave-in treatment for stronger, healthier looking hair. This may be what I requested because I do like hair serums and hair products and you don't tend to get them that much. I feel like I may have requested this because I will definitely get use out of this. I like to have leave-in treatments, things that are conditioning for my hair. I do get my hair colored, so it is, you know, tends to do a little bit more damage and dry it out. And I do heat style my hair if I'm going out anywhere. So when I'm not styling it, I like to put in some really good moisturizing products. And so happy that the last 2 times I've gotten my hair done, I was actually able to go to a salon, not be dyeing it at home, but I will definitely get use out of this. I feel like I'm in that mood where I haven't chatted with you guys for a while, so I'm just like getting out all the talking. Okay, I have something wrapped in bubble wrap. I have a little box and then a little tub. Bubble wrap usually means it's a powder product, so let's look at this first. So this is from a brand I've never heard of before called Shades by Shan in San Francisco. And maybe the shade is called You Are Berry Beautiful or it's called Irma. Either way, I think this is going to be a blush. Let's take a look. Oh, I am totally wrong. Does it say berry? It totally does. It's very small writing, but I swear my eyes aren't that bad. Yeah, it says You Are Berry Beautiful, which is maybe a little odd for a tagline for an entire brand, but this is a champagne looking highlighter. I'm gonna do some swatches, which means I have to unhook my thumb holes. I decluttered a lot of my highlights, so I actually don't mind getting some new ones to try. So it's pretty gold. Like, can I get it to show up? Maybe it blends better. You can sort of see the shine of it there. It may be a little too gold toned for my skin, and I feel like maybe you can see it there on my finger a little bit better. It's super nice and reflective, especially on camera. So if nothing else, this would make a really nice sort of like topper for eyeshadow, but I'll play around with it and see how it feels and how it looks when it's actually on my face, because sometimes swatches don't tell you. Okay, the little box with something inside it, let's see this. Oh, it's from Bobbi Brown. I'm not actually sure if I've ever tried any Bobbi Brown products before. And this is a vitamin enriched face base, all-in-one primer and moisturizer. Ooh, I'm all up for some base product. Okay, and it's very small because it's also one of those containers where it doesn't go all the way to the bottom, but that's okay. I will definitely get use out of it. So far, we're doing pretty good with this bag. So let's see what the last product is. It's another little pot. It's from a company called Clean It Zero, which I've not heard of before. Okay, it's a pore clarifying cleansing balm. Maybe this is what I asked for, because if you watch any of my beauty related content, you'll know how much I enjoy cleansing balms and cleansing oils. So I'm definitely going to use this. This has been a really good bag. Everything in here I will get use out of and will likely, well, I don't tend to use up powder products, but will likely get use out of and like completely use up. So this is like a really good bag for me. So let's take a look. Actually, I'll show you this first so you can see what the product looks like. There we go. And let's take a look at the descriptions of the products. Starting with the Anti-Frizz Serum, the answer to frizz-inducing humidity, this super-powered smoothing serum. It uses argan oil to condition strands for mirror-like shine and major softness. Plus, strengthening keratin helps prevent breakage, and acai extract protects with antioxidants. It helps color-treated hair from fading under the sun, so use it before you head outside. Interesting. So this is a deluxe sample. The full size is $30, which is pretty expensive for a hair product, but if it works super well, maybe it's worth it. The Bobbi Brown Face Based, Vitamin Rich Face Based. If you're like us and you spend precious time perfecting your beauty looks, you want to make sure you stay flawless all day. This Nourishing Primer is enriched with hydrating vitamin E, vitamins B and C. Use it to keep your makeup looking smooth, fresh, and gorgeous. Dot it onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, chin, and blend. Okay? And the full size of this actually is $23, which is actually less than I was expecting it to be, so we'll see how good this is. They make it sound like it is not only moisturizing, but maybe also like a extend the wear of your makeup base, so we'll check that out. Okay, so I was wrong that Clean It Zero is the name of the brand. It's actually Benilico, and Clean It Zero Pore Clarifying Cleansing Balm is the name of the product. Meet your new cleansing staple. It starts as a balm, transforms into an oil, and then a milky lotion that dissolves dirt, oil, and makeup. Plus, it uses AHA, BHA, and LHA, 3 gentle exfoliators to remove dead skin cells and get you glowing and bright. So the full-size version of this is $22. I'm interested about the exfoliation part because that sort of makes sense a little bit if you're just using it to remove face makeup, but a big part of why I like cleansing balms and cleansing oils is to be able to remove eye makeup, and I don't necessarily want exfoliating products near my eyes, so I'm gonna have to look closer at this. I'm gonna just take a quick look now to see if it says anything about avoiding the eye area, because I'm constantly frustrated. Oh, that makes it sound like it's a big deal in my life. It's not. But if you're gonna make a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil, make it eye safe. It does not specifically say on here to avoid eyes, so I'm happy to give it a try. So then we have our Shades by Shan highlighter single, and this is a shade called Irma. You know the gorgeous glow that skin gets during golden hour? This soft shimmery highlighter recreates the same effect on your skin. The powdery formula blends beautifully, is easy to build, and leaves skin looking luminous. So the full size of this is $34, which is a little expensive for a highlighter because there are some wonderful like drugstore highlighters, but not too bad. And finally, we have our face masks, the BRTC Vitamin B5 Velvet and Vitamin A Velvet Mask Duo. Getting your skin's daily dose of healthy vitamins and nutrients has never been easier. Just pop on one of these soothing sheet masks. The vitamin B5 helps hydrate, minimize fine lines and wrinkles, and the vitamin A deeply moisturizes and helps brighten dullness. And these are $4 per mask, which isn't too bad. So that is it for my IPSY bag. I would give this like an A+ this month. I mean, last month, I guess. It took a little while for me to do this. But let me know if you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you do, or comment down below. Tell me what you got in your IPSY. Thank you so much for joining me for this today. Thank you for understanding me being away, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!